Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see how to find square root of the given number by using division method, and also we are going to see few examples on estimating the number of digits in a square root of a given number. Our first question is find the square root of 4096 by division method. So solution, the given number is 4096. So first step is place a bar over every pair of digits starting from the ones digit. So the given number is 4096. So you have to place a bar over every pair of digits starting from ones digit. 6 is the ones digit. So we are making a pair. So 6 and 9 is a pair. So I have placed a bar over 6 and 9. Then the next pair is 0 and 4. So I am placing a bar over 0 and 4. So I have paired 9, 6 and 4, 0. This is the first step. And second step is find the largest number whose square is less than or equal to the number under the leftmost bar. Then take this number as the divisor and the number under the leftmost bar as the dividend. Okay, divide and get the remainder. Okay, so we'll see what to do here in this example. So here 40 and 96 is a pair, so I have written and so I have dividing it. Okay, so you want to find the square root. So now first I am taking the leftmost pair. So 40 is the leftmost pair. So you have to find the numbers such that if you write a number here, the same number you should write in the quotient. So if you multiply this dividend and quotient, you should get this number. Okay, so now 40, if you go with 6 times 6, that is 36, you will get, and if you check with 7 times 7, you will get 49, so which is greater than 40. So you have to write a number which is less than 40. So 6 times 6, that is 36, is less than 40. So I am writing 6 here and also 6 as the quotient. So 6 into 6 is 36. Now I am subtracting this. So I am getting the remainder 40 minus 36 as 4. So this is the second step. Then the third step is bring down the number under the next bar, that is 96. I am writing it here. So to the right of the remainder. So 4 is the remainder. I am writing the next number, that is 96, to the right of 4. So the new dividend what I am getting is 496. Okay, the next step, okay, double the quotient and enter it with a blank on its right. Here the quotient is 6. So if you double the 6, you will get 12. So I am writing 12 here. And I am writing a blank over here. So this is the fourth step. Double the quotient. So 6 doubled, I will get 12. I am writing it with a blank. Then the fifth step is guess a largest possible digit to fill the blank, which also becomes the new digit in the quotient. So you have to guess a digit to fill in this blank. The same digit will be the new quotient also. Okay. So such that when the new digit is multiplied to the new quotient, the product is less than or equal to the dividend. So this is the new number which is multiplied to the new quotient, that is 4. If you take this 124 into 4, you will get 496. Okay, so now the new is 496. So now I am subtracting 496 from 496, so I will get the remainder. Okay, so the quotient is 64 and the remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0 and there is no bar left, therefore we can conclude that square root of 4096 is 64. So thus square root of 4096 is 64. The next what we are going to see is how to estimate number of digits in a square root of a given number. So solution, we have two methods for finding the digits in a square root of a given number. Okay, so the first method we have seen earlier videos. We have studied a pattern and used formula. So if a perfect square number has n digits, then the square root of the perfect square number will have n by 2 digits if n is even and n plus 1 by 2 digits if n is odd. Okay, so this is the method we have seen earlier videos. Now we are going to see a new method. So now we use bars to find the number of digits in the square root of a perfect square number. So if you take a perfect square number as 529 and we want to find the number of digits in the square root of 529. So as we know, we have to put a bar over a pair of numbers starting from ones digit. So I have paired 9 and 2 and I have placed a bar over this number. Then the next number left is 5. So I have placed a bar over 5. So here the total number of bars is 2, and we know that square root of 529 is 23. Okay, and similarly, now I am taking a new number 4096 and I am pairing this number. So 6 and 9 becomes a pair, so and I have put a bar over this number. Then 0 and 4 will become a pair, so I have put a bar over this number. So here also I have 2 bars, and I also know that square root of 4096 is 64. We have seen in the previous example. So in both the numbers 529 and 496, there are 2 bars here, 1 bar, 2 bar, 1 bar, 2 bars. The number of digits in the square root is 2. So thus we can say that the number of digits in the square root of the given perfect square number is based on the number of bars we are placing over the number. Now let's see one more example for this. Can you tell the number of digits in the square root of 14,400? Okay, so now we will see how many number of digits are there in the square root of this number 14,400 by placing the bars. Okay, so to place the bars, we know that we have to start from the ones digit and you have to pair the digits and you have to place a bar over the digits. So this is the ones digit. I have paired the next 0 and I have placed the bar. Next, I have taken the next 2 digits and formed a pair and I have placed the bar. Then 1 is left, so I have placed a bar over here. So there are 1, 2, 3 bars. So since there are 3 bars, the square root of 14,400 will be of 3 digits. Okay, so thus the number of digits in the square root of 14,400 is equal to 3 digits. Let's see few more examples. Without calculating the square roots, find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers. So the first number given is 256 hundredths. Okay, so we know that the number of bars on a perfect square number decide the number of digits in the square root of that number. So we are using this method. Okay, we are going to verify our answer for one of our question with the previous method, formula method. So first question is 256 hundredths. So now I am taking the numbers and I am first step put bars on the given perfect square number starting from ones digit, pair the digits. So I have paired 0, 0 and I have placed a bar, and I have paired 6 and 5 and I have placed a bar, and the 2 is left. So we know that even if the digit is not paired, put a bar over it. So I have put a bar over the 2. So now we have 3 bars over the number. So the square root of the given perfect square number will have 3 digits. So thus the number of digits in the square root of 256 is 3. Now let's verify our answer by using formula method. So we found that the number of digits in the square root of 256 is 3. So this we are verifying by formula method. So for the formula method, if a perfect square number has n digits, then the square root of a perfect square number will have n by 2 digits if n is even, and n plus 1 by 2 digits if n is odd. Okay, so the n represents number of digits in the given number. So the given number is this. Here the number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is 5. So here n is odd. So we are going to use the formula n plus 1 divided by 2 to find the digits in the square root of a number. So 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2, which is 3. So the number of digits in the square root of the given number is 3. So this we have verified without finding the square root actually. The next number given is 1 followed by 8 zeros. So the first step, put a bars on the perfect square number starting from ones digit, pair the digits. So I have written first 0, 0 and then bar. Second 0, 0 I have placed over a bar. Third 0, 0 and then I have placed a bar. Then fourth 0, 0 and I have placed a bar. Okay, so now here the 1 is left. We know that even if the digit is not paired, we have to put a bar over this number. So I have put a bar here. The next step is we have 5 bars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. So we can say that the square root of the given number is having 5 digits. The next question given is 36,864. Okay, so first step we have to place the bars starting from ones digit and pairing the digits. So I have paired 4 and 6 and then I have placed a bar. Then next I have paired 8 and 6 and then I have placed a bar, and then I have left this 3. So we know that even if it doesn't have a pair, we have to put a bar over the number. So I have put a bar over the number. Then if you count number of bars, 1, 2, 3. So we can say that the square root of the number 36,864 will have 3 digits. Hope you have understood all the examples of finding number of digits in the square root of a given perfect square number well. Thank you for watching the video.